Hello everyone, welcome to the project of Elixirs of Rotaract, wherein we bring you stories of such people who have nothing but been a champion throughout the journey and contributed a lot towards this organization, Rotaract District 3141.
Agreed, Anisha. So today we have with us our team administration from the council. Hello, everyone.
Hi, I'm Gitika Huja.
Hi, I'm Safia Jariwala.
Hi guys, I'm Miloni Borija.
Hi everyone. So, guys, how are you all doing this? We got announced 1 year ago exactly during this period, and since then pandemic struck. We all were in lockdown, and COVID happened. So, how has this pandemic treated you all? How was the experience apart from Zoom?
It's been tough. Pandemic has really been a very tough journey because we were all confined in our houses and everything. So I think working from home, as we all always wanted, wasn't such a pleasant experience after all. Because with the Zoom meetings, it got too much. I'm really very tired of the Zoom meetings at this point. And so I think I'll say it was a very tough experience. At the same time, I think it did us some good as well. We realized how important our routine and life is. I think now nobody wants a vacation twice a year.
True.
So I think that would be it.
I think the pandemic was a need for all of us to understand that there is a power above, what when we humans say we are the most powerful creatures on earth, there's a power right above us which can control even us. Like we are like puppets in some other planet of a video game or something. I think the pandemic was a learning experience more than a we've all had that phase that we were very happy when the pandemic struck, we were getting to sleep and stuff, but then slowly study everyone went back to routine. For me it was a lot of struggle to technology because I am not so good with technology. I've actually had to learn how to use, forget Zoom, but a lot of other things like get my ID card codes and all of that. But I think in the pandemic I got another job opportunity, so I was very happy with that. Plus I think as friends we all became more close as family. Of course we got like work plus family life, everything as a balance. How working mothers are, like when they're working at home also and we are doing this also, and that experience, though not working mothers, but you have to attend to your family and always see that happening. I think it was a good journey. It's still going on. Everyone's adjusting to the new normal, and some people have lost their jobs and stuff. So it's been a good and bad experience. It's been a mixed experience for everyone. But yeah, there is a power above all of us. It's something that everyone should realize by now. I mean, humans need to stop saying that we're the most powerful things on earth.
All right, I think both of them have said it all. But just to sum it up, all I can think about is that situations make you grow, good and bad, both situations. For that matter, pandemic made us grow, think about things beyond ourselves. So, whether it's road track or whether it's job or career or studies or anything, they made us grow in some or the other sense. So, yeah, that's how the pandemic was. I mean, I got to discover that I can cook really well. So that's something that I've learned. So apart from that, we all learn and we all grow. So I think this made us grow.
So, moving on to the next question. This is specifically for Miloni and Safia. So, you both have been in this district council since last year, and that too in the same team PD, hashtag PDPR. So, how has it been back again, this year back again with each other?
So, though we've been in from Rotaract in last year, this year together, I mean, when Jemin told Miloni that I'm coming in the team, Miloni for some time thought it was a prank. She was jumping with joy because that's how comfortable we've got. Like I know what she knows what's my strength and what's my weakness. So she manages that part. I know what's her strength and weakness. So I know she can manage this. We can depend a lot on each other. Like Jemin was there, Gitika is there without a doubt. But when I know Miloni is there, I have that different comfort level only. I'm like, Arya, I can just call up Miloni. Like she knows my work life, she knows my family life. And it's the same. I know कि okay ये time के बाद if someone's putting up a question मतलब वही मर भी जाएगा तो भी Miloni has gone to sleep. उसको मालूम ही नहीं है क्या हो रहा है दुनिया में. She might not even know when Instagram or WhatsApp might stop up if it's after 10 o'clock in the night. So I know I get answerable to everyone after 10 o'clock for her, but I know that if in the morning something goes wrong, however wrong, she's not going to give me a call and stress me out. She's going to figure it out, kuch bhi karke. So there's a different comfort level that the two of us have, whether it's road track, it's personal. Like I could just go to a house and pop in to have Oreo ice cream. So
Always.
it's a very different zone. And I'm very, very glad that, from last year to this year, our friendship has remained the same. Like nothing changed. Like she joined as a newbie and I was very lost. I was like, oh my God, she's going to be my youngest. She's actually the youngest friend I have. And I don't think I can have a younger friend than her. But probably she's a lot more mature than all of us. Like at some point of time, when we lose it, she'll be like, she'll do like, especially she'll do this thing. And then she'll be like, now smile, ab main bolu aage. And then we are just like, and then she'll start talking Oreo. So you can't even lose it.
I think council mein many people know this, that Miloni sleeps before 10, like she sleeps at 10, because many people, like if I text where is Miloni, they'll be like, अरे अभी तक सो गई रहेगी, सुबह ही बात करते हैं करके. So that is patent for Miloni.
If Miloni is awake for someone, that means that person has to have a lot of importance in Miloni's life. Like that person is here for Miloni.
Yeah,
But if that is Miloni's hardcore thing, if you tell her wake me up, she'll wake you up. But if she's awake for you, that means you have crossed above friendship level. And that is what Miloni has done, whether it's for me, it's for Harshita, it's for Jamin, it's for Gitika, I think all of us, like 6, 7 of us, the clan is there. You make that one road track clan where you want to stick around. It's just become that way now. Even when I'm traveling, though she's not even with me, I'm still telling her because my road sense is that bad. Miloni, I have to go here. Can you please Google track and see if I'm at the right place?
Yeah, she does that, guys.
Exactly
She
how I
doesn't
go with.
remember addresses.
Yeah, I've talked because that's my only time that I'm literally talking to people and stuff. That's my only time I get to travel. So I'm just like, listen, Miloni, I'm traveling. Just track me and see I am not going somewhere wrong now.
And वो घूम भी गई है, ऐसा भी नहीं है कि उसको ट्रैक करने के अभी वो घूम जाती है. So that's Safia Jariwala.
Hey, what about you, Miloni?
I get very speechless whenever somebody asks me about Jamin, Harshita, Safia, or Suryam for that matter. I'm very speechless, honestly. So it's just that we all 5 of us, or Safia and I, or for that matter, all 6 of us right now after Gitika has joined the team. ऐसा PD के बाद when Gitika came in, you just said that मैं Safia और Jamin एक ही team का part थे. But it's just that when pieces of the puzzle meet together, it forms a beautiful picture that you aim for. So I think that's how we are. I mean, she just said it right, that we know each other's strengths and weaknesses, and all that matters at the end is अगर तुम्हारा puzzle ठीक से बन रहा है, so the beautiful picture you are aiming for, it's very, oh my God, I love you. So the beautiful picture that you aim for always comes there, because that's what you are thinking in your head. So I think all I can say is that we are pieces of a puzzle. We come together, we form a beautiful family. I think that's gone beyond road track now. So just like she said, अगर मेरे को जागने का रहेगा किसी के लिए, तो that's something beyond my priority level. So that's something that I cherish, honestly. From day one, I've been saying this, that these are the 5 people I cherish. I'm going to cherish for life. So that's not something that's going to be in here. And whether in a team or not, I think we are going to still eat each other's head no matter what happens. So yeah, I think all in for y'all. Headache.
Senti हो गया full.
So, Gitika, now this question is specifically for you. So, you have seen the entire PD clan over here. So, how has it been for joining in this team, and what was your first impression with regards to each other?
So, Miloni is already laughing. Initially, so this was my first year for the council, and I was just a president who did not know. Actually, being a president, I did not really know the depths of how the council worked. लगता है कि अरे president बन गए बस और क्या चाहिए, but नहीं. The actual journey starts when you join the council. And when I first met these people, initially I was petrified. I was terrified of Miloni, which is why she's laughing right now. I remember first meeting her. So what happened was I had my flagship event, and it was our avenue meet as well. So because of my event, I got a bit late, an hour late to reach the venue, because I was coming all the way from Mira Road to, where did we meet? Juhu.
Feel it,
Yeah,
And I was
you
in,
take it up.
I was I was sweating because I was so terrified of Meloni getting angry with me. And then I reached there, and then they're all chilled. Nobody said a word. I started explaining, oh, I got held up, this, that. And then they're like, हाँ ठीक है चल बैठ जा क्या खाएगी. So this was how we first met. Nobody, they never made me feel like I was an outsider who's joined the family. They always welcomed me. So it was, I never felt out of place with them, especially with Meloni, Safia, and Jemin, because Jemin, I knew he's a very sweet person and everything, but if he gets angry, I don't want to face him ever. And I think the dynamics of the entire relationship that we share is on the mutual trust that we have for each other. I know if I, fail to do something, I know Safia, Meloni, Jemin, all three will have my back. Or if there's something that they're not able to, I am there to have their back. In fact, there's only one thing that I dislike about Meloni is that whenever she wants me to do something, she'll be so apologetic about it. Then I have to threaten her that I won't do it if you keep saying thank you and sorries to me.
But it
And
ended, yaar. Come on.
come on, yaar. And I think they've always had my back. So I will always, I think this is a friendship that I would love to cherish for a lifetime.
And now talking about your journey in the council, the admin team, what you all did as a team together. So I would like to ask you all, how is managing everything, the installations and everything? Yeah, whatever admin work you did, everything online, and how was the journey working in the council with this pandemic and everything as well? A collective journey in the council this year.
Am I supposed
Deepika?
to start? Yeah, sorry.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I'd say it has been a crazy roller coaster ride throughout the year. I obviously I expected something else altogether because when we started, nobody knew that the pandemic was going to come and everything will be so virtual. Like Safia, even I'm a little technologically handicapped, as I would put it. I'm not a person who would, be very pro with Zoom and everything. So when things started happening, it was crazy for me. I remember Meloni and me attending so many instis back to back together. Then there were times when I started my job and then I couldn't be there for Meloni. Then sometimes Meloni had her exams and her lectures. Then we used to switch. We used to legit switch with each other. And a lot of times Meloni's had my back when my Zoom crashed on me, which happens like every time even during the council meetings that happens with me. So I'm really grateful that Meloni always has my back about it. And with working with the two of them, I'd say it was very easy. Working with Gemin is so obviously very easy, but I never thought I'd be, so amazing. It would be such an amazing thing to work with the both of them because at the beginning, I was really a little intimidated. Ki, "Arey, how will I, manage to, because they have an experience with the council. They know how things work and I don't know anything. So I used to always rely on the both of them. And they've always helped me. छोटी सी छोटी बात हो या बड़ी हो हमेशा मुझे stupid बातों को लेके भी I've troubled Melonia and she's always been there for me. And so has Safia. बस 10:30 के बाद मेलोनी को मैसेज करना सोचना भी मत unless it is important. So I think I'll say the year has been, I've been lucky that I have such amazing teammates. I've been lucky that I have such an amazing vertical head who's always, been there and who's always covered up for me if I've lacked somewhere. And like we said before, our strengths, weaknesses, we know about it. So they've always backed me up with whenever I've been weak somewhere. So I'd say it was a good year. It was a good experience, and I hope I can, I though would want the same team again if I could, but okay. I'm glad I have such amazing friends.
Okay. So this year, unfortunately or fortunately or whatever, however we want to put it up, there was a pandemic. I'm sure everyone had a different plan. We as team admin also had a very different plan. Like I didn't ever wanted when I was working on Rotary International, when an entire website is revamped. Okay, my entire one very very important part is we need to register ourselves on Rotary International. Now imagine so many charter clubs, so many new clubs, and no one knows how the website works. I have been on calls with presidents days. Like right now, like when I'm talking to you all also, I have messages saying member updation nahi ho raha hai, system is getting crashed, system is getting crashed, system is getting crashed. Like if this was offline, okay, probably I would have I would have actually told Ojas I need a separate meeting with presidents only to get them registered on Rotary International, because everyone can do it with their phone. It's once and for all ka over chapter. So, and I would have got them to even add members, because the entire process of how it was to how it is has changed. So for me to even learn that was, even I had to learn it through MDIO online. Maybe if there was no pandemic, I'm sure besides those emails that we got, and from that email what I had to learn, it would have been very, very, very different. Maybe we would have a different training session or anything of that sort, or probably not MDIO, but how it has become, like because of the website getting revamped, the pandemic, and in that Zoom meetings say everything doesn't get sorted out. People are panicking, clubs are getting suspended. So it's been like tough, it's been easy, it's been like, okay, yeah, there have been times when we've got frustrated and I've literally told Rotary presidents, aapko samajh mein nahi aata, please just give me your ID password, let me figure it out, because it's very difficult to tell to literally explain a 2-page process on the phone, and in that nahi hota hai. That was one part of Rotary International that we as a team have faced. We've been like, "Arey, nahi, boss, nahi honga humse." They though, like getting projects done, having like we've got maximum clubs registered this year, so that they don't get suspended. And then working on Spotlight, when we were making a list of the citations, we had to see to it that by that time the pandemic was already going on, or it was almost time for the pandemic. So we were like, okay, if we are doing this, then the club is suffering this way. If we are doing this, the district is suffering. We have like 25 or 30 points, but those 25 or 30 points we had to sit and evaluate and reevaluate it that many number of times. Probably if there were physical events allowed, it would have been so much more easier, because okay, this one, this, attend this, attend that, attend this, attend that, and the story would have ended for us. Like it would just be about attendance and what the club is doing, if the club is matching to the district or no, and the story would end. We would not have to think about any deadlines or how will the event be carried out, because everything can't happen online. Now I can't be like, oh, let's do, let's play not housing, but okay, snake and ladder online, like literally, do a human snake and ladder online. It's not going to make sense. People are going to be like, kya kaun sa dice kidhar gaya? So for us to connect things, it was difficult. Like we've been at the back end, maybe we've not connected to every single place. Probably Miloni and Gitika probably have connected also. We've all connected to precedents, but when it comes to, oh, they have not done events or something, but we are working at the back end. If we stop working at the back end, your front end is going to be so badly screwed. So it's been difficult, it's been easy, it's been fun. I mean, probably we're going in the digital era of Narendra Modi, how he says, let's go digital. We've also gone digital this time. Like Rotary, as an organization, I think we've done really well, because the pandemic did not stop us from doing events. Like anyhow, whether the district or the clubs, they have managed to do something or the other. Like even their own flagship events, I really like it the way it's gone online. It was not like, there was no laid back attitude saying that, "Arey, ab online kaise karenge?" Like, for example, a club like Devnar, they did expressions online. A club like any XYZ clubs, like KC is going ahead with Surrey, still we are going ahead with farmer empowerment and all. It's not stopping us. We're still having a hope of red rise. Everything we've decided, theek hai, aisa nahi to aisa nahi to aisa. We have a backup plan. So I think something we've even learned.
Yes, definitely. Like I would like say iske baad respect for backend surely will rise, because learning how you all work online and with the Rotary and everything, I'm sure respect will rise with this. What about you, Miloni? What was your experience like?
Happy eventful, let me put it this way, because so my actual first March जब मेरे को कॉल आया था जमीन का, and later we spoke के चलो इस चीज का पहले गाइडलाइंस बनाते हैं. So it was all according to offline mode पे करेंगे, and सब कुछ all of that was planned that day. And suddenly the pandemic struck us and we were just given a task ऐसा कि एक बार e-insti का guidelines बना के तो देखो. And we made it and all, and I never thought that मेरे को सच्ची में वो use करना पड़ेगा. I was like, मतलब when I was told that you need to actually frame the emails and the guidelines and the documents and everything for e-instis, I was a bit shocked. I was like, how is this going to happen? And I called up Ojas and Jervin both, and I was like, guys, are you all sure of this? Because I am not. When I used to get calls from clubs, ki, okay, how is this going to happen? How do we do that? How to give transfer the caller from one president to other? I for the first 15-20 days, I was like, ki, what are these guys even asking me? Matlab, what is happening around me? And it first installation, I still remember messaging Ojas 15 minutes before the insti that Ojas, I am giving up. I'm not going to be able to do this. And these were my words. And he's like, listen, calm down. It's not your insti. You just have to sit and manage. And I was like, ठीक है, देखते होता है कि नहीं. And then just it went away. And with time, I realized that the thing that we talk about, that एक insti से दूसरे insti में भागना है करके, मतलब if it was on ground. I think Ojas and Gitika, we've been there for a lot of instis, and we also used to run from one instis to another. I mean, I still remember the days when we used to have 3 instis in a day. We used to have half an hour ka break beach mein. We used to call up each other ke bhai tu 15 minute pehle join kar le please. So this used to be the story, and we were like, theek hai, ho jayega. And then later when we talk about 101 installations that has happened in the first time in the history of 3141, it was just a random thought that Ojas is like, try to karke dekh, lekin matlab I was like, are you sure? Because we only had back then 115 or 16 active clubs in the district with presidents announced. And he's like, hey, let's at least give it a try. And I started talking to clubs. So it's a whole different experience in itself. I say that the pandemic was a blessing to the installations because the time that was saved in that, the open calendar that has saved me, all of that acted as a blessing to me, at least, because I never used to sit and see at the schedule ke main yahi date de sakti hu, main yahi slot de sakti hu. It used to be like very comfortable. I used to call up Ojas ke we are giving out this slot. I used to tell Jamin ke okay, these slots are blocked. We cannot do anything else apart from this now. So it's always that you have to see the good things in something. I mean, installations is something that is one of my favorite memories in the year. I mean, those 6 months, if somebody tells me ke which part of the year do you want to relive, I'm going to definitely tell ki chalo installations वापस करते करके, because that is something that has taught me something really really special and beautiful, and how to talk to people, how to be around people, even if it was online. I today call up any president and tell के चल इंस्टी के बारे में बात करते हैं. People will go on and on and on. I mean, there's not going to be one president who will not say कि ये अरे ऐसा नहीं हुआ, अरे वैसा नहीं हुआ. So that was something that I'm going to, मतलब, it's very special to my heart. I will always prefer installations over anything. And to talk about OCVs and Shukriya that Gitika mentioned, right? It's just that ki how much you are doing at the back end to keep the district functioning the way it is. I mean, just like you said, ke back end ka importance बढ़ जाएगा. So it's true. If you just remove the base of the building, it's not gonna stand. It's not gonna stand strong. So it's just that it was a beautiful experience. I mean, I can just go on talking about instis, so and maybe I should stop here now. So it was
I
just
just
very
want
very.
to I just want to ask one question. Would you prefer online instis or offline instis?
See, it differs, okay? मतलब
Because
अभी मेरे को
just a second, I'll add just one thing. Because instis में traveling बहुत बचा है हम सबका, like
definitely I agree to that. I agree to that more than anybody else. मतलब I was the first person to say कि oh God, it's saving our travel time. I mean, just imagine the fact when I say कि 15 minutes पहले we're going to start the Zoom meeting. It was literally like that. Sunday morning 10 o'clock का insti. 9:30 I used to wake up. I used to call up Gitika. Listen, we both need to attend instis now. And 9:45 I used to call up Ojas. Listen, no, please start the meeting and let's just freshen up and sit for the insti. And that used to be there. Otherwise, अगर it was the other way around, imagine 3B में अगर insti और मेरे को उठ के 8 बजे जाना पड़ता. So it's a blessing, yaar. I always believe that things happen for a reason. I mean, I just said that situation makes us grow, and good or bad, irrespective of that. But you learn something. E-instis, did we ever think के करेंगे? मैंने तो नहीं सोचा था कि करेंगे. But we made it happen, right? I mean, 101 installations is not a joke, I think. I mean, it's a proven point that if we think about something and if we do it right, it can happen. So I mean, online or offline, that should not matter. What matters is you get a good experience.
Definitely, I agree to that. So moving ahead.
So as we are moving towards the end of this year, I'm sure that you all are well versed with each other. So this question is specifically targeted to each other to know that how well you all are well versed. So what's the one thing which you all like about each other and the one thing which you all get annoyed with regards to each other? Kritika?
Yeah. So I'll start with Maloney since she's the youngest. So one thing that I really appreciate about her is her dedication and her will to do everything. So if you are ever having a bad day and you're not, feeling up for it, she'll be there to even take your load off your shoulders. So that's Maloney for you. She's always there with a helping hand, and she'll always, she's one of the sweetest people that I've come across in my, I think I'll say, entire life. So that is one thing that I really admire, that she's so dedicated towards the work that she doesn't mind sharing your load with you. And one thing that she really annoys me with, like I mentioned before, that if she is not able to do something, she wants you to do something for her, she'll firstly thank you, like her life depends on it, and she'll apologize for making you do it. So again, like I said, I have to threaten her to not, do that with me. Otherwise, I won't do her work. So that is something that I think she needs to be more, because she shared my load so much that even I should get the opportunity to help her out with like that. And moving on to Safia, I'd say one thing that I really love about her is the way that she is so candid. She won't beat behind the bush, or if there's something that she is not, she doesn't appreciate about you, or something that you're doing is incorrect, she won't go behind your back and speak about it. Instead, she'll come and she'll talk to you on your face. She's always, whatever is on her mind, she'll speak it. So that is something that I really admire about her. At the same time, something that I think, there are very few things that you can be annoyed with because of Safia. It takes me time to think about it, but I think the same thing will be an annoyance where you need to control the situation, where you need to do damage control, and she ends up speaking something that she's not supposed to. So it is a positive as well as a negative thing about her.
Yeah. So moving on with Safia, what do you think
Okay,
about Meloni?
so I'll go first with Gitika, then I'll go with Meloni. So one thing I really love about Gitika is, she's not like, she has zero attitude, this girl. Like, she'll just be like, okay, theek hai, if you call her up, if she misses your call, she'll call back. She'll talk any crap. Like, dunya bhar ka knowledge she will have also, but she won't go and, till you don't literally put your hand in her mouth, she's not going to go and, you can trust her. Like, till she doesn't lose it on someone, she's you can really trust this girl. She's not like, I don't have to be like, oh, should I tell her or not? I just feel like, listen, I just tell Gitika, it's okay, no big deal. What will happen if she comes to know about it? She's trustworthy. Like, not everyone is like, she won't manipulate you. So yeah, and one thing I really don't like about Gitika is, not, I don't know in road track so much, because probably it's her first year's council and I really don't know her as a president. I mean, I didn't really know her before this first year. But I have seen her working as a professional, and I just feel she takes a lot on her plate, more than she can, and that stresses her out and everyone around her. And then she's just running like, I have to do this also, I have to do that also, and she just misses that balance somewhere. And then she gets worked up, but then she'll spoil her health, she'll spoil her sleep, but she will see to it that the work is done. Like, it's a good point also, but then for your own benefit, for your own health, for your own stuff, it's like just stressing you out. So I really don't like Gitika taking a lot on her plate, more than she can, and then being like, ab kaise karu? And I don't even like her working hours. That's a different story.
And
I will not send you any.
Thanks, Safia. So I'm going to start with Gitika again. So I just came across her, just like she said, ke aise, it was a very weird first time meeting that we had. But one thing that I absolutely love about her is that I can go to her with literally anything. Okay, matlab, we have sticker wars. Like when we talk about wars, there have been days where we have just put stickers on each other's chat. बस 2 दिन तक यही करते थे हम लोग. And she is somebody who I can really go to and talk to anything about. She is a very amazing friend that I have. She's very understanding, guys. If you really need any help, you can go to Gitika. And one thing that I hate about both Safia and Gitika in common, both of them are always late. So that's something that annoys me a little because I'm particular about time and all that. So yeah, that's something that I don't like. One thing that I love about Safia is that I absolutely adore her. Matlab, ऐसा to name something on the top thing के ऐसा I think something I love about her. It's very difficult for me to do because that's not how I can describe what I love about Safia. So one thing that I absolutely love about Safia Jariwala is that she is who she is. Okay, you can call her up any time in the day and ask her, "Ki Safia, what's up?" and she's going to tell you some random story. So that's something that has kept me going always and always. So if you always want hashtag motivator in your life, please go to Safia. She's somebody who can make your day by singing songs and just talking the way she is.
So, as we move towards the end of the session, we would like to play a fun game, which is called Most Likely To. So, you all have been told to make a placard of the other person's name. So, I'll be reading out, we will be reading out the situations, and you just have to show which person you think can be the most relatable to that particular situation. So, starting.
So, who's most likely to sleep during a road track meeting?
Okay, so the majority says Safia. Safia herself says Safia. Okay. Sleepyhead. Okay, and the next one is who's most likely to give reasons to sneak out of the work they have been assigned to? Majority, like everyone agrees it's Gitika. Next one.
Who's most likely to get into an argument with their vertical heads?
Like she will take the
पूरे
stand.
पूरी
I forgot to
conversation
say,
में समझ गया.
I won't say I'm counter, I'd say I'm a smart worker.
Oh, nice. So next one is okay. This one's interesting. So who's most likely to use the name of Raw Track and go hang out with their friends? None. Miloni? Oh.
उधर Miloni is accepting it very well कि हाँ मतलब मैं ये reason use करके निकल जाऊंगी. छुपी
We
उसका.
need to talk, Miloni.
Yeah. Last one.
Okay, so the last one is just exactly opposite to the previous one. Who's most likely to tell their parents that they are going to hang out with friends, but instead are attending a road track meeting or an event?
Miloni. Miloni herself agrees कि ये मेरे घर का सिनेरियो है, ऐसा ही होगा.
Miloni.
मेरे parents भी.
बोला था.
So with this, we come to the end of this session. So thank you all for being such a lovely audience, everyone. Thank you for watching. And I would like to thank the admin team for working so hard and giving so much to this organization. You all have been a gem for us, and really the respect for backend has increased. I'm sure the viewers also think the same. So thank you for joining in. Thank you for giving your time. Until next time.
And also with this pandemic, I mean, you all have brought a revolution with regards to how the things should function. So it's really great of you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anisha. Thank you, Sri Gauri, for having us.
Yeah, thank you for having us
Bye.
here. Bye-bye.
So until next time, थैंक यू आपकी प्यारी टीम सोशल मीडिया. बाय.
Bye.